Okay, just thought I'd bring the camera over by a tool and have it turn on just to see what it would look like. The light's not on or anything, but here's how it would look. Light's off on it though, but pretend. Zoom, zoom. So I can just move it around as I go. And I can even just pick it up and walk around with it as I go along to the next tool. For example, if I just wanted to come over here and look at my end of the day rewards. What color was the phrase? I hope that's not bird crap coming out of the sky. What do we got in here? Oh, seltzer water. Yay. Microwaves are handy in the barn to keep the vermin out. Including little kids. Nope, I didn't steal their candy. This is a nice thing about being my age. Besides being Butterfingers. Oh, Butterfinger? Okay. Halloween never ends. The day after Halloween, for the last probably 50 plus years, I head out to all the local stores as fast as possible, as early as possible. And I get the half price candy. And I'm sorry to say, I buy pounds and pounds and pounds and pounds. I think I have, that was a 7-pound bag. I have 4 or 5, anyway. So, keep moving. With enough to last me till Valentine's Day sale. Then the Easter sale. Oh, I guess Christmas. I missed out on that one. Just moving the camera around a bit there on its hinge. Where else can this hang? Suppose if you want it low, that'll do it. We'll just think of this as an upside down tripod. But it just hangs from the trusses. Then I can take it anywhere in the arena. Pretty much use it. Say I wanted to work over the tractor. I guess I'd have to be taller and not bang things around. There. So now here I am at the tractor. Let go of it, and hopefully it doesn't fall. We'll see how much wiggling it does. So then I'd be up here doing stuff. That's a pretty good grid up there of rafters. It's not going to go everywhere, but it's going to be a lot of places. Behind me, I can do it this way instead. Just messing around, moving it around. Okay, I'm gonna let it go and we'll swing. Woo! Wonder what that's gonna be like. Come over here and stop it. Getting cameras upside down. Now it's about 6 feet off the ground. Over the tractor. I can pretty much even hook it on these if I had to, I believe. It would just be off a little bit. So that hooks too. So I can hook it, doesn't have to be in between the parallel trusses. So that works well also. Question is 6 feet off the ground suitable? Does it need to be lower or higher? But anyway, pretty cool. Won't know until I watch the recordings. Alright, let's hang it up for the night. And let's see, let's put it where we won't run into it walking around. It's a pretty good storage spot for it. Not likely to hit it there. Okay, that's it. All done for the day. GoPro, stop recording.